this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Apple Music app or program on your laptop or on your PC. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So to download Apple Music, go to Microsoft Store. It is down here and then click on it. From here, go ahead and create a free account, and as you can see, I'm logged into my account here. So if you don't have an account, go ahead and create a free one using your Google account. Once you're done, now you can go ahead and search for your app using the search function here. So I'll go ahead and search, and as you can see, we have Apple Music here. To download it, go ahead and click on Get, and then this will go ahead and get the files ready for download. So the download process will begin, and once it's done, you can tap on Open to launch it straight from here. So if I go back here and go to Start menu, you can see we have Apple Music here. So if you want to easily avail your app each and every time you wish, go ahead and right click on it and then use this option called Pin to Start, and it will add Apple Music here. So you can now agree to terms and service and then start using your Apple Music app on your computer. So if you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.